This is take two. If you caught the first one, we're doing it again. Instagram lost my live just a second ago. This is our third in our weekly series about one simple thing. Comment the word simple and I will send you details on the previous ones, and I will send you links to everything we're talking about today, as well as a discount code that you really need. So be sure you comment simple. And also go to SOULYRESTED, SOULY rested.com/one, ONE, to sign up for the weekly details about every single one of these that we're doing. And they're going to be all different topics. One simple thing that has made a huge difference in our family's health, nutrition, outlook. Just one simple thing, because it's the easiest thing to do if you take it one simple step at a time, this whole idea of getting healthier. And today we're talking about planting some blueberries, but this can be true for anything you're planting. One simple, Selah, she's stepping on what I'm going to show you. One simple thing, there she is. What was I saying? I have no idea. I was in the middle of my sentence. Oh, one simple thing that can ensure you have good quality food from whatever it is you're planting. If it's a garden, if it's a container, just a pot with tomatoes, if it's fruit trees, whatever it is, this one simple thing can ensure the best quality food. And what that is testing the soil. I have, oh, Bill's starting up with, I guess that's a weed whacker. Maybe it's the mower. Selah, you're kind of in my way. She wants me to throw her ball. Okay, go get it. So I'm moving these blueberries from around the front of the barn to here in the back. I already have two established blueberries that are doing really well. The ones that I'm moving, no, Selah, no, just go over there. The ones that I'm moving here have been there for 11 years, and I'll show you this first one, are no bigger than my 1-year-old blueberry bushes. I think the soil was low in acid around the front of the barn. Obviously there was some problem. Why I didn't do this with them, I can't even tell you. It's just one of those things. But I had to move them because they're in the way for a project that we're doing around front. So I have my 4 holes dug, and I collected a soil sample from each one of the 4 holes for every one of the blueberry plants that I'm moving. And let me show you my kit. In fact, I'm going to move closer to the router as I'm telling you this, because I think the first one might have disconnected because of my kind of bad connection all the way out here. Okay, I think I have what I need. Let's see if I can carry it up here closer. Okay, so I collected a soil sample from each one of the 4 holes. Now I have to get these moved today. So unfortunately, I didn't allow myself time to get my results back and amend my soil for whatever it might be that my blueberries will need to thrive. But that's okay, because I'm going to clear out all around those 6 bushes, pull up the grass, and make a bed around them so that it's easy to pick them. It's easy to cover them with a net when the birds are eating all of our blueberries. And of course, it will be a lot easier to mow around them. Okay, I'm gonna set this right here and show you what's in this soil test kit. This is the 3rd, maybe 4th year that I have used this kit for different reasons in different locations. It literally saved my vegetable garden. I will send you all that information. It's crazy, the story behind it. But what I was doing was actually harming it when I thought I was improving my soil in my vegetable garden. When I got the analysis back from this really easy to understand soil test kit, it was a game changer. I suddenly knew exactly what the problem was. I actually was adding more of what the problem was. By adding compost and other 10-10-10 amendments, I was actually increasing the phosphorus level so high that I was killing my plants, and I thought I was doing all the right things. And that would be right things in other situations, but unless you do a soil test kit, unless you do a soil test, you don't know if what you're doing really is the right thing. So it was a game changer for me, huge game changer. And when the results come back, it's so easy to understand. They literally give you these wonderful, simple charts. They use regular words and they explain it in regular sentences instead of if you go to your local, just lost the word again. If you go to your local, like farm ag, wow. I'm gonna stop. If anybody knows what I'm talking about, please tell me. And when you get your results, typically they're so confusing, so scientific, and they don't actually tell you what to do to fix the problem. This is a game changer. They tell you exactly what to do to fix the problem. Yes, Selah. I wish I could throw it really, really far because, you know, that could take her a few minutes. Oh, Bill turned the weed whacker off. That wasn't a weed whacker. Must be the... I should know what that is. Anyway, it's quiet for a second. Just two old junkers said hello, hello, hello. I'm seeing if anybody had any questions. Let me know, guys, what do you grow where you are? Do you grow vegetables? Do you grow fruit trees? Okay. When I was on before, so many of you, I had a few things to answer, and unfortunately, I lost it. So let me repeat what you had said if you're back on. Extension office. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I am for Kingdom. Yes, if you go to your local extension office, from what I have seen in the past, the results are so confusing and it's really quite expensive. It depends on where you live in the country, but some places it's really expensive. This is affordable and the results are actually usable. Okay, so this is what you get in here. You get this little container, little vial with some water and a little thingamajiggy in there. There is an official name for the thingamajiggy. You get this paper that explains it all. Let's see, it tells me my thingamajiggy is a DI water and nutrient absorbing capsule. That sounds better than a thingamajiggy. It tells you exactly what to do. It has the matching UPC symbol to go with the one on your jar so that the lab knows whose soil it is. It tells you where to go to give them your name and address. And it has this little envelope. So it's all so easy, guys. You open this up, you have your directions, you have your envelope, you have your little container. You collect your samples from 5 to 7 locations in your garden or whatever area that you're testing. And you can put it in anything you want, but you can easily just put it right in this box. Mix it up with your shovel or with your hands, remove any debris like pine needles or rocks. And then they give you this little scoop. You fill up the scoop so it's leveled off. And then you simply put this in the little container. You leave the water in there and you leave the thingamajiggy in there. You add the dirt. Put your lid back on. And hopefully that's on nice and tight. It's on straight. Looks leak proof. Now this is ready to go off to the lab. Put it in your envelope. Seal it up. And that's it. It's that simple, guys, to do a soil test kit. And this is a game changer. This pretty much ensures that everything you're planting is going to give you amazing food, nutrient-dense food, and it's going to thrive because it has the right soil. Soil, people do not pay enough attention to how important the soil is if you're trying to grow food. And does it say end? No, EMD Life says, hello, I'm very interested in planting some blueberries. Will they be ready for a fall harvest? Actually, blueberries, depending on where you live, I guess, are usually here in New England. I'm sorry, I'm trying to prop this back up. They usually have a harvest in July. And if you plant them in the spring, you probably will get some berries, but it'll probably be a handful. And I would say 2 to 3 years, you will have a good harvest from that blueberry bush. So hopefully that helps. Get them planted for sure. Blueberries are one of my favorite fruits. Okay, I'm gonna get this in the mail tomorrow and I will keep you guys posted on my results. And if I have to do some amendments for my blueberries, I'll keep you posted and bring you along. Please do comment simple and I will get you that article about my garden. It explains exactly how this test works. And I have a discount code for you and links and all that. So let me know if you have any other questions, and I hope that you join me in this series for one simple thing. Every single week, just one simple thing we're talking about that has really made a difference for our family. This soil test, game changer beyond explanation. I literally was killing my garden and didn't even know it. So, is there anything else I had to tell you? If you go to SOULYRESTED.com/one, ONE, you can sign up to get all this information weekly, so you know when the next live is coming. You get the details about whatever the simple thing is that I'm talking about. So there you have it. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you next week.